When you search for the best Omega watches for men, everything looks the same. Same styles, same claims. But to really understand what sets these timepieces apart, you have to look a little deeper. Product number 1, Bulova Men's Marine Star 6-Hand Chronograph. Introducing the Bulova Men's Marine Star Series B, priced at $353.68. This watch caught my eye with its bold maritime design and impressive features. If you want a watch that combines style with functionality, this is worth a serious look. Plus, at 100 water resistance, you can swim with confidence. It's not just a watch, it's a statement piece that brings a bit of the ocean to your wrist. And with 300+ units flying off the shelves in just the past month, it's clearly catching people's attention. Now, some people complained about the heft of the watch. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that feels substantial and rugged, this isn't really a deal breaker. But if you prefer lighter watches, you might want to check something else out. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a nautical theme and want a reliable watch for everyday wear. Skip this one if you prefer something more minimalist and low profile. For the price, it offers genuine value and solid craftsmanship. Now, if that heft bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter feel. Product number 2, Casio MDV-106 Unisex Analog Watch. Next up, we have the Casio MDV-106 series, priced at $111. This watch initially caught my attention because of its classic design and impressive water resistance. If you want a reliable and affordable option for every occasion, this is definitely worth considering. The 200 water resistance means you can take this watch swimming or snorkeling without worry. It also features a date display and luminous markers, so you can easily read the time in low light. The stainless steel case combined with a resin band gives you both durability and comfort. With a lot of people opting for this watch recently, it's clear that it holds appeal for many. Now, some reviews mention that the resin band may not feel as premium as metal. But honestly, for the price point, it's a solid trade-off. If you're doing activities where a lighter material is advantageous, this watch actually shines. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that can withstand various activities without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something that screams luxury. Overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for watch enthusiasts. Product number 3, Bulova Men's Archive Lunar Pilot. Now let's talk about the Bulova Men's Archive Series Lunar Pilot, priced at $604.30. This watch is not just about looks, it has a fascinating backstory that caught my eye. If you want a piece of watch history on your wrist, this is worth a serious look. This lunar pilot made history as it was worn on the moon during the Apollo 15 mission, which is a unique selling point. The 6-hand chronograph gives you precision timing, and the sapphire crystal ensures durability while looking sleek. With 50 water resistance, you can splash around without fear. The buzz around this watch is palpable, with over 50 units bought recently, showcasing its popularity among enthusiasts. However, some users have pointed out that the size might be a bit large for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you love bold watches, this won't deter you. But if you're looking for something subtle, it may not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you appreciate unique stories and want a watch that stands out. Skip this one if you prefer understated designs. For the price, you're not just buying a watch, you're investing in a piece of history. Now, if the size of that watch concerns you, the next product might be right up your alley with its more compact design. Product number 4, Bulova Men's Archive Lunar Pilot with NATO Strap. Next, we have another from Bulova's Archive series, the Men's Lunar Pilot with a black NATO strap, priced at $703.31. This watch grabbed my attention not just for its history but also for its stylish NATO strap. If you want a practical yet stylish timepiece, this is worth checking out. Like its sibling, this watch was worn on the moon, which adds incredible character. The nylon strap makes it lightweight and comfortable, perfect for daily wear. The sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance, while the 6-hand chronograph offers precise timing. With 50 water resistance, it's practical for everyday use and outdoor activities. It's clear that watch aficionados are picking this model, evidenced by its recent sales. Now, some reviews mention that the NATO strap might not appeal to those who prefer metal bands. But here's my take: if you value comfort and style, this strap is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines both history and everyday practicality. Skip this if you're set on a metal band. For the price, it's a stylish and functional choice. Finally, let's wrap it up with a classic option that offers a different kind of sophistication. Product number 5, Bulova Men's Classic Chronograph. Lastly, we have the Bulova Men's Classic 6-hand chronograph priced at $411.01. This piece stood out for its classic look and high-quality materials. If you want something that resonates with elegance while still being functional, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a striking black iron-plated stainless steel case, which not only looks great but also provides durability. The 6-hand chronograph is perfect for precise timekeeping, and the 24-hour time feature adds practical value. Many have been drawn to this watch lately, showing its appeal among those looking for a classic style. Some users have pointed out that the black iron plating can scratch over time. Here's the thing: if you're careful and value the sleek look, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant watch that works for both formal and casual events. Skip this if you prefer a more rugged or sporty aesthetic. For the price, it's a solid investment for a timeless piece. To wrap it all up, we've explored some fantastic options in Omega watches for men. From the rugged Bulova Men's Marine Star to the historical lunar pilot models and the elegant classic chronograph, there's something for everyone. Each watch has its unique appeal, whether you're looking for adventure, style, or a piece of history. No matter your choice, you're investing in quality craftsmanship that will last for years.